Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher of KKI schools. Our mission today, solve proportions. Okay, I will start with the question number 30. It is 7 over k negative 2 equal 5 over 8. As you learned before, any proportions, it is equation. And this equation has a fraction or the ratio in the left side and fractions in the right side. So it is equation, but it is a special case of equation, okay? And this equation has fractions in the left side and the right side. Good. And how we solve the proportions or this equation? As you learned, I do the cross product property, okay? Okay, after I do this, I determine the left side and the right side, my boy. Okay, start. I will start with the numbers 8 multiplied by 7 equal, yes, 56. And 5 multiply k minus 2 or negative 2, it is equal 5 multiply k negative 2. Teacher, you put parentheses. It has no parentheses here, teacher. Why you put the parentheses? Because, my dear student, if you write it like this, the 5 only visit the k, and it will be 5k negative 2, and this is not correct. The 5, it is multiplied by the k and the negative 2. So I put the parentheses to make sure Ali must visit home and farm. Okay, my dear student, let us break the parentheses now. It is equal 5k negative 10. And this is common mistake happened here all of time. This one. They keep it negative 2. They didn't make Ali visit his farm. It is very important to visit his farm. So because of that, you multiply the 5 by k and get 5k, then multiply the 5 by negative 2, which is negative 10. So this is the left side. What about the right side? Sorry, it is 56. Okay, now I move here, and I noticed that some students still confused between which term we can move and which term we can divide by. First of all, you have to distinguish between the term and the coefficient. This is called coefficient. How I know? Because it is a stick with the letter. There is no operation clear, okay, between the 5 and the k. Okay, but the negative 10, it is called term. So if I ask you what is the term and what is the coefficient here, that you have to answer, the term is negative 10 and the coefficient is 5. And I told you before that if you have a term, throw it to the other side, to another side, okay? So the negative 10, okay, it is the term that I need to move it to the left, or sorry, to the right side. So 5k coming down, and I have here 56 negative 10. And 56 negative 10 equal 46. This is left and this is right. Then I divide by 5 this side and this side, the k coming alone and heavy, and 46 divided by 5, it is the answer. But teacher, you said before we cannot find the improper fraction like this between the answer in the quiz and the test. Yes? So what we have to do? You have to write any improper fraction like this one as a mixed number. But teacher, how you know it is improper fraction, or how I make sure it is improper fraction? My dear student, to know if it is improper fraction or not, look up is greater than down. So this fraction called improper, and it could be right as a mixed number by ask a question. How many 5 in 46? It is 9, yes? And you bring down this 5, and 5 multiply 9 equal 45, and how many steps to reach the 46? It is 1, and this is the k. Okay, you can find this 9 and 1 over 5. Okay, my dear student, are you happy now? No? Why? Okay, you still has a confusing. Okay, I will do one more example for you, and I'm sure you will be happy, inshallah. Okay, I will do number 31. Now it is 3 over 3b plus 4. And this fraction or ratio equal 2 over b negative 4. Teacher, here I have b in the both side. Doesn't matter. Apply what you learn. This is the left and this is the right, and do the cross product property. So this guy multiply by this guy. Okay. Okay, if I multiply the 2, I have to multiply the 2 by the 3b and the 4. Remember that. I will multiply it directly to save the time. So 2 multiply 3b equal, yes, 6b. Now 2 multiply 4 or plus 4 equal plus 8. Great. So this is the left side. Now the right side, it's coming from here. Multiply the 3 by the b, which equal 3b. Great. And multiply again the 3 by negative 4, which is equal negative 12. Okay, I get this. You remember this part of the equation, how to solve this equation? You have to collect the b's in one side and the number in one side also. Okay, in the same side. So I will move the 3b to the left side from here. Sorry. To here. And this guy, I will move it from here to here. So what happened in the left side, or what the left side become and what the right side become? See, when I move the 3b to the left side, it will be 6b plus 3b. But teacher, it is positive here. Sorry. So yes, it will be negative. Okay, my dear student, it will be negative. And now the 8, I will move it to this side, But before I move it, I will write what left in the right side, which is negative 12 and negative 8. Now 6b and negative 3b equal 3b equal, and negative 12 negative 8, yes, it is negative 20. Great boy. Now I divide by 3 directly by the coefficient, so the b come down happy and alone, and waiting what will happen here. As you see, it is 20 over 3. It is improper fraction, negative improper fraction. So you ask, how many 3 in 20? Yes, it is 6. And you draw this line and bring the 3 down and multiply 3 by 6. 18, how many steps to 20? Equal 2. So the answer is 6 and 2 over 3 with the negative. Don't miss the negative. This equal B. Are you happy now? I hope so. Okay. Let us solve the last question, which is 32. I selected for you. Here, see this one. So it is Q plus 2 over 5 equal 2Q negative 11 over 7. This is the left side, and this is, sorry, and this is the right side. I draw the left and the right. This is the right and this is the left. I will start like this. 5 multiplied 2Q, it is 10Q, and 5 multiplied, don't forget to multiply by the number also. You multiply the 5 by this and this, remember, very important. So 5 multiply negative 11, it is negative 55. We done from the left side. Now the right side. 7 multiply Q equal, yes, 7Q, and 7 multiply plus 2 equal 14, yes, plus 14. Okay, now I have this left and right, easy, the life is easy and beautiful. I collect the cube, okay, in one side and the numbers in one side. You are free to move, okay. I will move this here, and in the same time I will move this here. Okay, let's go. So negative 55 in the left side, waiting the negative 14, and the negative 14 is coming. Teacher, but it is positive. When you move it to the left side, it will become negative. And also 7Q, wait, the 10Q will be negative 10Q. Now this is the left and this is the right. Okay, negative 55, that's mean he want from me 55, and negative 14, he want from me 14, that's mean it is negative 69. in the left side equal 7 minus 10. I have 7, but the grocery guy wants 10, so negative 3 q. Okay, now divide by negative 3 and divide by negative 3. Q equal, if you do long division, you will get 23 without any negative sign. Why? Because this eat this. Okay, boys, so the Q equal 23. Teacher, actually, if I move like this, first of all, you move the 14 here, and you move the 10Q from left to right. Teacher, I like to do the opposite. I will do the opposite. I will move the 10Q, sorry, I moved it before. I will move the 7Q from left side to the right side. Okay? Okay? From left side to the right side. So in the left side, I have 10Q, negative 7Q. And in the same time, I will move the negative 55 from left side to the right side. So it will be 14 plus 55. Now, this is the left and this is the right. So 10Q minus 7Q equal 3. Q equal 69. And divide by 3, divide by the coefficient, which is 3. Q equal 23. Teacher, so we get the same answer before, yes? Yes. Okay. Okay, my boys. Okay, I move or translate the Q or the variables in the right side one time. I collect the variables in the right side one time, and one time I move the variables in the left side. So in both case I get the same answer, which Q equal 23. Okay, my dear student. Okay, I hope you get all the benefit. Thank you for watching. This is Muhammad Khair, and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.